2003 Ford Mustang Boss 3.8 liter V6. It's got long tube headers that were installed somewhere else. There and there. And then we installed everything else. Got two high flow cats right there, right there. Then we got a aftermarket X-pipe that we installed. Then we put some MAGNAFLOW MAGANPACKS. If you want the cats or the MAGNAPACKS, you can see the link in the description. And then we did custom 2 1/4 tailpipes on each side, right there and right there, into 4-inch rolled edge tips, there and there. That's what it looks like. Hope you guys like it. Came out really nice. Factory system, custom system all the way back. Wow. It sounds mean. Boss 3.8 V6 Ford Mustang. Much better, huh? Yeah. He's bold. Have a good one.